बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट शेफ गौरी वर्मा विद अस। एनीथिंग जो आपको लगा कि यार ये बात थोड़ी चुभ गई मुझे इस वाले शार्क की?
मुझे ये जरूर चुभा कि उनको समझ ही नहीं आई मैं क्या बोल रही थी। दूसरी थिंग दैट रियली टिक्ड मी ऑफ, दिस थिंग गॉट मी इरिटेटेड इन द टाइम, शी आस्क्ड मी अबाउट अ ब्रांड। लोगों ने बोला कि आप शार्क टैंक पे आए हो, आपको हम्बल होना चाहिए, आप पैसे मांग रहे हो, आपको हम्बल होना चाहिए। एंड आई वाज लाइक नहीं यार, हम लोग कटोरी लेके भीख थोड़ी मांग रहे हैं।
So we have heard कि शार्क टैंक में इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत बड़ी मिल जाती है, but then they back out at the last moment. So there could be various reasons. So could you please highlight what those reasons are?
It's so simple, you know. Just tell the truth.
Apart from Namita, who else you expected कि आपके विजन में कोई और साथ आता तो और अच्छा लगता?
सच बोलूं, I may piss off a lot of people. Actually, she's
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर एक्साइटिंग एपिसोड ऑन पिच एंड हार्ट्स यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हमारे पास हैं एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट। यस, आपने इनको जरूर देखा होगा टीवी पर, अभी शार्क टैंक सीजन 4 के एक एपिसोड में, एंड शी वाज द बम्पर ओपनर ऑफ द एपिसोड, एंड हमने उनको पहले ही देखा था इन द फर्स्ट वीक इटसेल्फ। सो वी हैव शेफ गौरी वर्मा विद अस। और मुझे अब आप सोचोगे मैंने उनको कैसे बुलाया, सो ये भी एक स्टोरी है कैसे हम उनसे कनेक्ट हुए, बट नाउ शी टुक टाइम एंड केम हियर to tell you guys about her journey and how she is holding up and how is she managing the investment that she has got from Namita Thapar. ज़्यादा लेट नहीं करेंगे, let's move on and let's hear from Gauri. Thank you Gauri first of all for coming here and taking time. मुझे पता है आप बहुत busy हो Shark Tank के बाद, and you have been coming up in so many shows and podcasts and everything. A lot of people are reaching out to you, but फिर भी आपने time निकाला हमारे लिए. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy to be here today, and I'm so excited to be a part of this podcast.
Thank you.
And I'm looking forward to having this very candid chat with you.
Yeah, so we are going to keep it very candid, guys. So सबसे पहले वैसे तो आप लोग सब देख चुके हैं कि गौरी की जर्नी कैसी रही है शार्क टैंक में, बट मुझे पता है बहुत सारे लोग मिस भी कर चुके हैं इस जर्नी को। So फिर भी हम थोड़ा सा जानेंगे। गौरी has worked with lots of brands. So कैसे उन्होंने डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मार्केट के बारे में जाना, कैसे उनकी जर्नी रही है। She went abroad as well, then she came back. So वो थोड़ा खुद बताएंगे अपने बारे में, and कैसे उन्होंने ये प्यारा सा ब्रांड स्टार्ट किया।
Great. कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? It's such a long story. In fact, जब मैं टैंक में थी तो my story only took around 40 minutes to tell because the sharks were also so interested because it was a very unusual story. Born and brought up in Delhi, Modern School, Barakhamba Road. उसके बाद देवी श्री राम कॉलेज BCom honors, and then Oxford Business School for my masters, and then worked with Deloitte in London. तब तक तो पूरी trajectory on track थी, like tick tick tick, everything is like perfect, you know. But उसके बाद जब मैं वापस आई मैंने opportunities देखी, तो पहला जो interesting चीज़ मेरे साथ हुई थी कि मुझे लगा था कि मैंने सिक्सर मार दिया है, यू नो, लाइक आई हैव डन द बेस्ट स्कूल्स, बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटीज, बेस्ट एजुकेशन, सो बेस्ट जॉब ओनली ना। जब मैं इंडिया वापस आई तो मुझे लोगों ने बोला दैट योर एक्सपीरियंस इज नॉट रेलिवेंट। सो ऐसे में एक्सपीरियंस इज नॉट रेलिवेंट, आई मीन इवन आफ्टर गोइंग टू द बेस्ट प्लेसेस इन द वर्ल्ड ये रेलिवेंट नहीं है। तो आप मानोगे नहीं, आई स्टार्टेड अगेन फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। कहाँ सैलरी थी और मैं कहाँ से फिर शुरू करना पड़ा, तो दैट वॉज लिटिल फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग। एंड देन वो माइंडसेट हो जाते हैं ना कि एक्चुअली नैरो अपॉर्चुनिटीज कितनी नैरो है इंडिया में। दिल्ली में जॉब उस टाइम मिल नहीं रही थी तो मैं गई बॉम्बे में मैंने रिटेल में काम किया फॉर गुड 3 years। फिर ई कॉमर्स का बूम आया, आई केम बैक टू दिल्ली एंड आई वाज ऑलवेज लुकिंग टू फाइंड एन इंडस्ट्री जहाँ पे मेरी ग्रोथ बहुत ज़्यादा हो, जहाँ मेरी एक्चुअली नीड हो, जो मैं पढ़ के आई, जो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है वो कहीं अप्लाई हो। बट मुझे ऐसा कोई फिट मिला नहीं। एंड आफ्टर 10 years ऑफ वर्किंग ऑलमोस्ट इन कॉर्पोरेट्स, आई वाज लाइक यार अगर ये मुझे अगले 30 years करना है, आई वाज 30 एट दैट पॉइंट एंड आई वाज लाइक 60 तक अगर मुझे काम करना है तो 30 साल और है, आई डोंट थिंक आई कैन डू दिस। देन इत्तेफाक से उसी टाइम बोलते हैं ना, सम थिंग्स हैपन इन लाइफ व्हिच आर जस्ट मेंट टू बी। दैट वेडिंग केक डिजास्टर वाज द बेस्ट डिजास्टर ऑफ एनीवन्स लाइफ।
वो बहुत मस्त था, लाइक शार्क टैंक एपिसोड में दैट वाज द हाईलाइट, आपका जो वेडिंग केक।
एंड इट वाज ट्रू, लाइक यू नो यू लिव लाइक दैट, एंड वहीं पे ना यू डिफरेंशिएट योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम अनदर पर्सन कि आप इसको कैसे लोगे इस एक्सपीरियंस को अपने लाइफ में। विल यू फील सॉरी फॉर योरसेल्फ और विल यू रीच आउट एंड मेक समवन एल्सेस लाइफ हेल, और विल यू से जो हो गया वो हो गया यार, लेट्स मूव ऑन एंड सी व्हाट आई कैन लर्न फ्रॉम दिस। एंड मैंने वही किया, एंड आई टुक इट एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, एंड लिटरली जैसे बोलते ना, द रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री।
सो डिजास्टर तो सबकी लाइफ में होते हैं गाइस, लेकिन गौरी ने अपनी विपदा को आपदा में बदल दिया है एंड नाउ शी इज रनिंग दिस ब्रांड। तो उसकी स्टोरी बताइए, कैसे आपको लगा कि इसको मुझे स्टार्ट करना है? एंड ऑब्वियसली बेकरी में तो बहुत लोग एंटर करते हैं, बट आपने फिर भी कुछ डिफरेंट किया।
So, 2 ways. First, so I had to become a chef. When I became a chef, I didn't know कि करना क्या है, कैसे बनाना है। एंड फिर मैंने जब पता किया कोर्सेज कितने के हैं, इंडिया में इतना था नहीं उस टाइम पे जिस लेवल मुझे करना था, मुझे इंटरनेशनल कोर्स ही चाहिए था, उसके प्राइसेस वर वेरी क्रेजी। Then my business brain was like the return on investment does not make sense for me to do this. So why not try and learn on my own and see whether इसमें कुछ merit है भी invest करने से पहले, क्योंकि ऑक्सफोर्ड का तो experience हो गया था ना, कितना इतना invest करने के बाद they're like not relevant, then why would I do it the same mistake again? तो ऐसे ही मैंने घर से शुरू किया, YouTube से बनाना शुरू किया, थोड़ा knowledge तो था और international exposure बहुत था, तो I used that to my strength because I understood taste, palate, pairings and started making cupcakes from home and selling. And I think इसमें ना more than making cakes from home or cupcakes from home, एक होता है ना when you have an out of body experience कि you're like कि actually मैं कर रही हूँ, मैं सच्ची में घर में बैठ के किचन में ये बना के फिर बेच रही हूँ. And it is so difficult because when you're trying to sell a cupcake, your Oxford degree doesn't come into play. No one cares that you went to LSR. They only care about what the product is all about. And वहाँ से my focus shifted to being a very product-centric person, because I understood everything else in my life is a tool to help me propel if I have a good product. But product में दम होना चाहिए, उसके बिना you are finished.
Right. So we have seen this trend कि आज भी there are so many home bakers around me as well.
Yeah.
Right. So but still people prioritize कि हमें ब्रांड से ही बनवाना है, हम मिस्टर ब्राउन से बनवाएंगे या फिर किसी अच्छे ब्रांड से ही हम केक ऑर्डर करेंगे. And they don't rely on their skills.
Yeah.
तो लेकिन मुझे लगता है जैसे मैंने जब भी होम बेकर्स के साथ ट्राई किया है, आई हैव सीन कि वो लोग इतना प्यार, इतना सब डालते हैं, एंड द कोऑर्डिनेशन बार बार आपको बताएंगे, एंड देन व्हाटएवर यू विल से दे विल ट्राई टू डू इट बेटर देन द डिजाइन दैट यू हैव गिवन टू देम.
Absolutely.
सो हाउ डिड यू चूज कि मुझे इसका नाम कॉन्फेक्ट ही रखना है? व्हाई कॉन्फेक्ट?
So my business is the most beautiful business in the world. I am in the business of happiness.
Yeah.
So cakes हर फैमिली, हर फ्रेंड्स के ग्रुप या हर जगह किसी खुशी के मौके पे ही आते हैं. एंड यूर अ पार्ट ऑफ समवन्स आइदर स्पेशल मोमेंट और यूर अ पार्ट ऑफ अ बिग माइलस्टोन इन देयर लाइफ. और मुझे इससे ज्यादा अच्छा बिजनेस लगा ही नहीं, यू नो, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी मेक एवरीथिंग स्वीट. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट शुगर, इट्स एन इमोशन फॉर मी एज अ फाउंडर, एज अ बिजनेस. एंड उसी इमोशन को लेते क्योंकि मेरे साथ वो हो चुका है, सो पर्सनली मुझे पता है कि व्हाट इट फील्स लाइक व्हेन दैट मोमेंट गेट्स ruined. And I never want that to happen to anybody. And if I can prevent someone from feeling like that ever again, that is what my commitment to product, to quality, to innovation is.
Right.
And that is the entire driving force behind Confect.
Wow. And you are also selling little pouches, right? That kids can also decorate their cakes themselves.
Yes. So the most beautiful thing about cake decoration is that it's not limited by age.
Right.
It's not limited by gender. It's not limited by skin color. It is a global product. It's a global phenomena. हर घर के बच्चे वैसे ही होते हैं, चाहे यहाँ के हो या यूएस के हो या यूरोप के हो. हर सेलिब्रेशन सेम होती है, बर्थडेज तो बर्थडेज है और एनिवर्सरीज तो एनिवर्सरीज है और शादियां भी शादियां हैं.
Right.
So I love the idea that my business penetrates through everything. It is not clouded by caste, creed, color or religion. And ये सबसे खूबसूरत चीज है about this business. I think that's why I say I'm blessed that I have been, you know, I put my toe into the best business in the world that one could have asked for, and I'm making money while doing it. So, you know, सोने पे सुहागा.
Right. So how Shark Tank has impacted your business? You must have got lots of order after that.
So Shark Tank has been the most incredible experience of my life. 6 महीने जो लगते हैं ना, वो कड़ी तपस्या, as they say, from every stage that you go, the stress, the nerves, everything that happens, it really came to fruition. तो चलो Shark Tank पे shoot हो गया, but then the thing is, you don't know whether you're going to actually air or not, and this is a fact.
Oh.
Yeah, so even after you get a deal, they tell you कि there's no surety that your episode is going to come to air.
Okay.
So you know, your heart sinks a little bit because you know कि जब तक वो टीवी पे आएगा नहीं, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता क्या होने वाला है.
Right.
And then when I got the call कि you're coming,
Wow.
and I was like, and they told me कि तुम first episode पे आ रहे हो. I couldn't believe it. पहले तो सिर्फ mind था कि भाई आ जाओ. और फिर आने के बाद बोल रहे भाई, यू आर इन द फर्स्ट एपिसोड एंड you're opening the season. I was like, oh my god, मतलब मैंने कैसे क्या बोल दिया. फिर जब एपिसोड देखा, I understood why I was in the first episode.
Right, it was great.
And when you're in the tank, इतनी चीजें होती है, it's an out of body experience, तो इतनी चीजें बोलते हो, and you're so nervous. आधी चीजें you don't remember when you come out of the tank. You know, when my family was calling and saying, क्या बोला, कैसे गया, and I was like, ये याद है, बाकी is like, I'm in a blur.
Right.
But when the episode aired, सच बताऊं तो that night I was very nervous. I was like, oh God, मैंने तो बोल दिया, सच बोल दिया, how I felt वो भी बोल दिया. I was so raw and honest about my emotion, and it just came out. And actually that shot was taken outside the tank, so I didn't know कि वो आएगा या नहीं आएगा. I was talking to someone like I was talking to you, and they were asking me how I felt, and of course, immediately आप जब tank से निकलते हो, you're a bundle of emotions. तो so many things were going through my head, and I am very muffat, okay, like I don't have a filter here. तो सोचती हूँ और वो आ जाता है बाहर. और यही हुआ. And I was nervous कि how will the country take it, how will people receive what I have said. But you know, by the grace of God, so much positivity has come out of it. For the first time in 10 years, Chef Gauri got separated from Confect, and I got an identity that this woman has a voice of her own. Right. She speaks her mind. She's not afraid to speak her mind. Right. कितने लोगों ने बोला कि आप शार्क टैंक पे आए हो, आपको humble होना चाहिए, आप पैसे मांग रहे हो, आपको humble होना चाहिए. And I was like, नहीं यार, हम लोग कटोरी लेके भीख थोड़ी मांग रहे हैं. We are काबिल of what we have achieved. We have reached a certain position in life for a reason. We are equal. So I'm very proud of my business now. Yes, I'm humble. I understand being humble, but that doesn't mean कि आप मुझे कुछ भी बोलोगे और मैं उसको ले लूंगी.
That's true.
You know, I will stand for my business because I'm the one who sold those cupcakes in the mall, not you guys.
Right.
I understand every sacrifice and everything that I did to get to this point. So why would I not defend my business or my own honor? मतलब मैं टीवी पे सिर्फ अपनी बैंड बजाने थोड़ी आई थी कि you can, you know, get great, cheap cakes or TRPs by just trashing my business without knowing anything about it.
Right.
If there was something to be said, then that was my moment.
Right.
And I worked 6 months to get on TV for that moment. And if I'm putting my business to the entire country, the entire world, then I have all rights to defend what I truly believe in. It's a free country after all.
Yeah, I mean, the counters that you had given to the sharks, those were amazing. Like, they were trying कि अब चुप हो जाएगी शायद, अब आगे नहीं बोलेगी, but then you went on and on and on. But then Namita showed faith in you, and उन्होंने बोला कि I'll invest.
Yeah.
But I think she must be happy now, right?
She's incredibly happy. She's incredibly proud.
Yeah.
She and I relate to each other as people. And I think 2 things happen in the tank. One, she understood a person like me. एक होता है ना, हमारे दिल में खोट नहीं है, बट वी आर वेरी डायरेक्ट पीपल. हम सीधी बात सीधी ही करते हैं. हमारी डायलॉग डिलीवरी भी डायरेक्ट है.
Right.
हम उसको शुगर कोट नहीं करते, इवन दो दैट्स माय प्रोफेशन. आई डोंट स्वीटन इट अप. आई एम लाइक, यू नो, एक ये शेफ्स की फितरत होती है दैट वी वेरी ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट एंड वी डोंट लाइक टू सी ग्रे. An apple is an apple.
Right.
So I will not say this apple is a glossy apple and a red apple and a beautiful apple. I'll be like, ये सेब ही है. You know? And sometimes that rubs people off the wrong way because we are so direct. And Namita is exactly like that. She's very direct as well.
Right.
She talks straight up. Straight shooters जिसको बोलते हैं.
Right.
एक तो वो था. So she related to my personality. She understood कि ये मेरी तरह है, and there's not, you know, she has no malice or any ill will in her heart or arrogance.
Right.
She's just direct in the way she speaks.
Correct.
And there's no harm in that. And the second thing she understood was that she experienced everything that I was saying. तो मैंने जैसे बोला कि यहाँ ingredients नहीं मिलते, and the first thing she said कि गौरी सच बोल रही है, यहाँ मिलता ही नहीं है. She's not lying about it. And she's also traveled internationally to buy so many things for her children and bring them back. And she still does it to date, maybe when she needs something really unique. And she realized that there is a problem and I'm solving that problem. जब तक आप वो problem को खुद face नहीं करते हो, आप उसका solution नहीं ढूंढ पाओगे. तो to have that one shark in the tank who understood exactly what I was saying and hit the pulse was the game changer for me.
और नमिता को I've been seeing since last 4 seasons. She has been investing in very limited startups now. वो सब में invest कर भी नहीं रही है. तो मतलब कुछ तो जरूर उन्होंने गौरी में देखा होगा. And we are seeing that spark here as well now. कितना एकदम से she is so cheerful and then she is so proud of what she has built and then And this is how it should be, guys. I mean, if you are going for funding, then stand for what you have built, right?
Yeah.
And then ऐसे नहीं है कि उन्होंने बोला आपको मिलेगी नहीं है फंडिंग तो ठीक है हम 10% डाइल्यूट कर देंगे, आप 20 ले लो, बस हमें दे दो, पैसा दे दो, वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए ना, राइट? वील हैव टू स्टैंड.
एक्चुअली मेरे को फंडिंग के ऑफर्स पहले भी आए हैं, बट दे वर ग्रीडी and they wanted a big chunk of a small company.
Right.
And you know, funny thing is कि मेरे को टैंक में किसी ने पूछा नहीं कि तुम पैसे बनाते हो, तुम प्रॉफिटेबल हो, क्या है. And the fact of the matter is I was profitable from the first year क्योंकि मेरा फंडा ही ये था. We were bootstrapped. मैंने अपनी सारी सेविंग इस बिजनेस में डाली थी. तो अगर पैसा नहीं बनेगा तो आगे गाड़ी कैसे चलेगी? You know, and then in the beginning to give a big chunk was something I didn't want to do. It was a piece of my heart, right? Literally Shark Tank पे दिल पे पत्थर रख के आई थी मैं, and तभी मैंने 1% बोला था कि I'm giving you a small piece of me, but I know what the vision is. You know, जब मैं कपकेक्स भी बेचती थी, मैं लोगों को बोलती थी मैं एक दिन 100 करोड़ की कंपनी बनाऊंगी, और मुझे सब ऐसे डिसमिस कर देते थे बिकॉज यू नो पागल है, देखो यहाँ मॉल में खड़े होके कपकेक्स बेच रही है, इसको 100 करोड़ की कंपनी बना रही है, कुछ भी बोलते हैं लोग. एंड लुक एट मी टुडे. सो मेहनत सब करते हैं. लेट्स नॉट डिस्काउंट द फैक्ट दैट पीपल डोंट वर्क हार्ड. एवरीबडी वर्क्स हार्ड, बट देयर इज अ डिफरेंस व्हेन यू वर्क हार्ड, वर्क स्मार्ट. एंड यू नो जब पूरा जूस तेल खत्म हो चुका है, व्हेन यू आर एग्जॉस्टेड एंड यू स्टिल गेट अप and you go, there is no secret to success. It is you have to be consistent every single day. You have to show up to work every single day. चाहे तुम्हारे पेट में दर्द है, चाहे तुम बीमार हो, चाहे तुम्हारा बॉडी एक है, my son is sick, anything. My husband needs my help. their घर की भी चीजें होती हैं, but you have to give time to your business every day. Discipline, मेहनत है, और अगर मेहनत के साथ आप डिसिप्लिन ऐड कर लो ना, sky is the limit.
बस हम तो वेट कर रहे हैं कि कब सब मॉल्स में गौरी का ब्रांड ओपन होगा और हम वहां से सीधा डायरेक्टली शॉपिंग करेंगे.
That is the dream. आपने मतलब ऐसी चीज बोल दी जो मेरे मन में 2 साल से है कि the minute India is a little ready, I will have stores across the country and I will have people come in and experience what it is like to be in a decorative space. You know, like walk in and create your own sprinkle mixes. How an M&M store is in Times Square. It's an iconic store globally, and that is my vision. कि मैं उससे भी कम नहीं हूँ, मैं भी ऐसे ही करूँगी एक दिन.
So Gauri, moving forward now, funding भी है, आइडिया भी है एकदम धमाकेदार, और एंटरप्रेन्योर तो धमाकेदार है ही हमारी. सो अब क्या नेक्स्ट, अब क्या हम कर रहे हैं, एंड देन हाउ आर वी मेकिंग श्योर द इन्वेस्टमेंट दैट यू हैव गॉट उसमें हम डबल रिटर्न दे और 10x रिटर्न दे नमिता को.
So the first concept of any business is to get proof of concept. Like first funda is proof of concept. मैंने सबसे टफ मार्केट्स पिक करी वर्ल्ड की, क्योंकि अगर मुझे एक्सपोर्ट करना था, आई कुड हैव गॉन टू अफ्रीका, आई कुड हैव गॉन टू इंडोनेशिया, और यू नो इवन चाइना, जापान. दे आर बिग कंज्यूमर्स फॉर माई प्रोडक्ट. बट वहाँ पे मुझे पता नहीं चलता कि मैं एक्चुअली टक्कर में हूँ कि बस बिकॉज वैक्यूम में मैं फिल कर रही हूँ. सो आई रियली वेंट टू द US फर्स्ट. And people ask me, "Ki, you're going to sell sprinkles to the Americans? I mean, they've been doing it for 100 years." And I said, "Yeah, I will." And you watch me do it. बहुत डर तो लगा, but we did it because मैंने आपको कहा ना कि product is the one thing that you have to distinguish your entire business on. Product में दम होना चाहिए, and people recognize good product. People recognize good quality. ऐसा नहीं है कि लोगों को quality का कुछ नहीं पता है, लोगों को सब पता होता है. They make a decision despite all of that. So US में जब एक्सेप्टेंस मिली ना, आई वॉज ओवर द मून. आई कुडंट बिलीव द नंबर्स दैट वी वर डूइंग. और अब मुझे पता है कि ये बिकेगा ना, तो अब तो फुल फोर्स लाइक धमाका. सो इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए मैंने टैंक में भी बोला था कि मेरे को सिर्फ एक्सपैंड करना है. US इज सच अ बिग कंट्री एंड द कंजम्पशन इज सो मच. वो इंडिया की 1/3 की साइज की होगी या 1/4, बट it actually consumes maybe 5 or 10 times more than what India consumes in this category.
Actually, it is actually needed in US क्योंकि अगर आप देखो ना कि एक केक ऑर्डर करो आप अगर वहाँ पर, so obviously it would cost you around $70-80 for a cake.
Yeah.
But then most of the Indians living in US are baking the cake at home, and then वो normal cream लगाकर, and then they are consuming it on birthdays.
Yeah.
But then if they can decorate it with what you have built, it would be amazing, right?
And the thing is that sprinkles, cake decoratives, premixes, everything that I sell in the US, fondant, colors, it's a staple. every mom bakes cupcakes or cakes at some point there because they have bake sales over there. It's a part of their culture, it's a part of their community. जैसे हमारे यहाँ मिठाई है, उनके वहाँ केक है, तो it is very easy to penetrate that market. But वहाँ पे competition उतना ही है, मतलब 10, 20, 30 गुना ज्यादा होगा competition वहाँ पे. तो आप differentiate कैसे करोगे? अब मुझे US में I want to be well stocked in every single state. I want to open my own warehouses there. I want to set up my own brand there, set up my own website there, and actually give them the confect experience, moving away from a third party platform. So this is where the money is going to go, and this is what I said in the tank ki सबसे ज़्यादा investment inventory में होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि marketing आपको समझ आ गई है, but marketing से जब orders आओगे आप उसको fulfill कैसे करोगे? So inventory is key.
So we have heard कि Shark Tank में investment बहुत बारी मिल जाती है, but then they back out at the last moment. So there could be various reasons. So could you please highlight what those reasons are, and how did you make sure you went through all of it?
It's so simple, you know. Just tell the truth. Just tell the truth. Because when you go in the tank and you're asking for funding, be honest about your numbers. Be honest about your marketing. Be honest about your strategy. Be honest about your unit economics. Be honest about how your company is set up. Just be honest, because if you're honest, then तुम्हें due diligence में problem आएगी ही नहीं. जो आपने वहाँ बोला वही आपका paper में black and white है. So for me, it's been a very smooth sailing. Everything that I have said is there. बहुत से लोग बोलते हैं हमारे पास जैसे ट्रेडमार्क्स है, पैटर्न्स हैं, यू नो हमने ये फाइल किया, इतना टर्नओवर फाइल किया, बट अगर आपके आईटीआर रिटर्न्स, इफ योर बैलेंस शीट्स, इफ योर बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स डोंट रिप्रेजेंट दैट, योर ड्यू डिलिजेंस विल बी इन ट्रबल, राइट?
So they check literally everything.
Oh my God, everything, every single thing.
My
you
God.
know, and few times over, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
So you have to be in total submission. मतलब एक होता है ना, जैसे आप किसी को अपने घर में बुला रहे हो, तो what do? You open your whole house up to them. This is exactly the same funda. Every nook and cranny, once they enter, is open and accessible. Okay. And if you have nothing to hide, you sleep very peacefully. So for me, it's been a very smooth process, because उन्होंने मांगा, मैंने बोला ये लीजिए सब कुछ, and it is apple to apple. Even when I met her, she asked me, you know, how are the sales? And I told her exactly how the experience was after the tank, what the numbers were looking like, because eventually she's going to see it on paper ना, तो वहाँ जाके कुछ और बोलूँ just to sound like wow, everything is great, and it doesn't add up, it doesn't work. And I know people lie a lot, but I don't understand why. It makes no sense.
So after the tank, after you got the funding, how many times did Namita like talk to you? Was she of any help? Did it help you anyhow?
We've spoken many times. I met her once. I went down to Pune, and she opened up her whole house to us, and we were actually at her dad's house, which is a very big thing. We got to meet him. We got to learn the lessons from him of what his secret to success were, what his ideology is. I got to meet her mom, her kids, her husband, her whole family. I also got to meet all the founders who she's invested in from season 1.
Oh, nice.
So it was amazing to hear from them how much value she's added. And the amazing thing is Namita has this whole team that only works with her brand, sort of Shark Tank. So ye nahi hai that I'm chasing her. She has an infrastructure built for us where we get all the support that we need. You know, she's connected with me. She's baked a couple of cookies at home, sent me pictures. She's ordered products from my website. And I think she also did an amazing online Zoom call with the founder of Viba. And we really got to speak to him one-on-one. I mean, how does that even happen? And speak to him about our journey, got to hear from him what he thought we should do, what my next step should be. And the coolest thing he said to me was, I get where you're coming from. Piyush doesn't understand this industry, which is fine, and it doesn't make sense, because even at Viba, of course, there's so many SKUs and categories. Similarly for me, and he understood that, and it was very endearing to hear that from someone so senior, like, you know, the king of sauces in India is saying it, that you're on the right track and these are the next few things you need to do as your roadmap. So before even getting really into the depth of the investment, already these value additions have started happening, which means a lot, because 6 तो हफ्ते हुए episode को आए हुए.
Exactly.
And
very short time.
Life has changed. So trying to cope.
So that means कि ये सिर्फ कई सुनी बातें हैं कि founders बस invest कर देंगे, then वो कुछ नहीं करेंगे. If you will give them little part of your equity, 1 to 2%, they are actually helping.
You know what? Everything depends on relationship. यहाँ पे रिश्ते बहुत मायने रखते हैं. Your vision has to match. You know, for me, going into Shark Tank was not only about getting the money, it was about getting the right partner. जो right partner की value होती है ना, वो उस 2% से बहुत ज़्यादा है. Because if she believes in me and she believes in my vision, she is going to back me with her heart and soul, just not the money in the bank. देखो पैसा कोई भी दे सकता है. मुझे फाउंडर से क्या चाहिए, फाउंडर या शार्क से क्या चाहिए, मुझे ऐसे चाहिए उनका एक्सपीरियंस, उनका टेक्निकल नो हाउ. सम डे शी विल, व्हेन आई मेट हर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, शी लाइक इससे मिलो, यू नो, शी इज लाइक अ रॉक स्टार एंड समवन हु रियली अंडरस्टैंड्स योर पर्सनालिटी, समवन हु रियली नोज हु यू आर एंड रिलेट्स टू यू. That is an incredible, it's like a magical mix if you get a investor and someone who really gets your core and believes in you. So it's not only about putting the money, you have to believe in the person. Like आप लंबी रेस के घोड़े हो, आप घोड़े पे ही तो bet करते हो ना, not the jockey. You bet on the horse.
Right.
So that's what it is.
So if apart from Namita, who else you expected कि आपके vision में कोई और साथ आता तो और अच्छा लगता?
सच बोलूं, I may piss off a lot of people. Actually, she's the only one I wanted.
Wow.
I was so clear because before I went into the tank, people were asking me, who do you want? And I could see that parity और किसी के साथ बैठ ही नहीं रही थी. You know, in terms of vision, in terms of their businesses. You know, a lot of them run trading businesses, not manufacturing businesses. तो मैन्युफैक्चरर होना बहुत अलग होता है ट्रेडिंग से. नमिता comes from a manufacturing business hardcore. Her dad is in the factory every single day. अब वो डिसिप्लिन ना, जब तक आप मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बैकग्राउंड से नहीं, आपको नहीं समझ आता कि फैक्ट्री चलाना और ब्रांड बनाना दो अलग चीजें होती है. फैक्ट्री इज लाइक कुछ भी कभी भी एवरीडे hits the fan. You're in a war zone every day. You are doing people management. You're not only doing customer management, you're managing your entire team, your entire staff. You know, it's a different ball game. You are divided into two.
Right.
And ये नहीं है कि आपने प्रोडक्ट ले लिया, आप उस पर ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हो, कि आपने मंगा लिया और आपकी फिर मार्केटिंग टीम बैठी है उसको बेचने के लिए, राइट? पहले तो आपको उसको बनाना है, और बनाने में ही 10 चीजें खराब हो सकती है. 10,000 things can go wrong. You know, you can lose entire batches. Your money is more at risk because if something has gone wrong, especially in the edible category,
Correct.
you lose a lot of money and it's immediate. There's no do-over. It's gone in the bin. So having a shark from a manufacturing background is something that's very critical, which a lot of them didn't have. And the others who were there were from a service background.
Right.
So service background mein to where do you add value? You are managing a team that deals with providing something to customers, which is largely digital and something in person. But I have to add value to their lives now. That is very different.
So Gauri, please let us know the process of applying in Shark Tank. Like for example, there is a form we all know, we have to submit it, and if we have to be very real about everything over there. So once it is approved, then what happens? Like कितने दिन बाद कॉल आती है, कैसे आपको रीच आउट किया जाता है?
So the whole process takes approx 6 months.
Okay.
The first is the application, which has 12 sections. तो उसी को भरने में आपको 3 से 4 दिन आराम से लग जाते हैं. Okay, and it's very detailed. It's about your entire history. It's about your company, your brand ethos. What problem are you solving? Why you? Things that you really have to think about. You know, it's not just an application. मैं हमेशा ये लोगों को बोलती हूँ जिसको apply करना है, that this application makes you think a lot because it's your first step. If you get this application wrong, you're not going further. So it really makes you think of a lot of things as founders जो हम शायद नहीं सोचते हैं. आप इस business में क्यों हो? आप क्या प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहे हो, यू नो, आपको फंडिंग क्यों चाहिए, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स ऑल योर फाइनेंशियल्स एंड ऑल योर डिटेल्स दैट आर देयर. आफ्टर दैट इट टेक्स अबाउट 2 weeks minimum, and if you get selected, you are told to come for the second. The second में you have an email and you have a link, and on that you have to upload a video.
Okay.
अब ये स्टेप भी उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज व्हेन यू अपलोड दैट वीडियो, इट्स अ स्मॉल टीजर ऑफ द काइंड ऑफ पिच दैट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इन शार्क टैंक. So it has to be in Hindi, it has to be like a mini pitch, and 3 minute पूरा. तो I think उससे Sony के producers and the team will gauge how you speak, what your product is. उनको भी समझ आए. अगर उनको समझा पाओ आप उन 3 मिनट में, आप कौन हो, आपका प्रोडक्ट क्या है, आपको फंडिंग क्यों चाहिए, यू नो, एंड क्या प्रॉब्लम आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो, स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस क्या है, हाउ डू यू स्पीक, मतलब आई थिंक एवरीथिंग मैटर्स एट दैट पॉइंट. तो वो बड़ा टेस्टिंग था बिकॉज यू डोंट नो कि आपको स्क्रिप्ट में क्या बोलना है. एंड एज अ फाउंडर एडिट करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि सब कुछ बोल दूं, बट 3 मिनट में आप कितना बोल पाओगे, यू नो. सो यू हैव टू रियली हाईलाइट सम मैसिव थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ, एंड उसके लिए ना सोचना बहुत पड़ता है. सो आई फेल्ट कि इंट्रोस्पेक्ट बहुत करना पड़ा. आई हैड टू लुक इनसाइड टू रियली थिंक कि व्हाट वाज दैट पॉइंट वेयर द बिजनेस पिवटेड. मैं यूएस क्यों गई, मैंने ये केक वाला, जब केक खराब हुआ तो मैंने इसको छोड़ के क्यों इसमें घुसी, यू नो, व्हाट इज द बॉटम लाइन ऑफ माई बिजनेस, व्हाई एम आई डूइंग इट, एंड इज दिस जस्ट अ ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस, एम आई वांट टू बी अ लेगेसी बिजनेस. मेरी विजन क्या है, 5 साल बाद मुझे क्या करना है, 10 साल बाद मुझे क्या करना है, यू नो. ये सारी चीजें सोचनी पड़ती है जो हम सोचते नहीं है. हम जब बिजनेस शुरू करते हैं एक माइंड में होता है पीछे कि हाँ ये ऐसे होगा, बट मे बी विद ईयर्स इट चेंजेस एंड यू इवॉल्व. But when you sit down on that application, you have to bring it all together in 3 minutes. So it's very tough. And after that, I think you don't know what will happen. Then you get a email again. एक तो उनकी सारी communication is largely with mail. So this is the first time you get a call. And they tell you, they ask you for your availability of a certain date, but they tell you कि भाई कुछ पक्का नहीं है, आप select नहीं हुए हो, बस आप मुझे बता दो कि इस date से इस date में free हो कि नहीं. And then they'll call you for a personal, like a physical round. That's when you sit with the producers of the show.
Okay.
And again, you come in your whatever you want to wear, like your best foot forward. अपने products लेके जाते हो, आप पूरी अपनी एक pitch जो आपने भेजी है उसको prepare करते हो, expand करते हो, आप अपने business को पूरा study करते हो. This was very hard because again, very similar to the tank. You don't have any piece of paper, you don't have a presentation. I mean, you can put a small presentation there, but that's not what they're going to ask you to even focus on, because the presentation is to explain your business to them in 10 slides. But it's not coming in the tank. Us pe jitne numbers hain, you have to know them here.
Wow.
So if you don't know it, it's not great. And then they grill you. That 1.5 hours was like a Shark Tank mini experience. Because they ask you questions aage, piche, upar, niche, backwards. So for example, if I'm giving my unit economics, they will do the unit economics, then they will ask me reverse unit economics, then they will ask me per day sale, then they will match that to my annual revenue, and they will ask your daily sale per channel, and then match that to annual channel revenue, and you're standing there like trying to mentally calculate so many things, you know. I'm not saying you have to be a math genius, but you really need to know your business like on your bolte na fingertips. You really need to know your business on your fingertips. Matlab you have to know your numbers, and if you don't know na, just say I'll get back to you. Don't fake it. And that is one thing that's very important. Uske baad if you clear, then you get a call again ki are you free from this date to this date, and still you're not selected, but we just want to know if you're free. And then they'll call you to shoot, and aapko kuch nahi batate, na mail pe na phone pe. You're just told ki this to this date, please reach Bombay at this time and arrive at this location, and that's it. It's
मतलब
cryptic.
थ्रू आउट बहुत पेशेंस टेस्ट हुआ है आपका.
हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा. In fact, till you go in the tank, you don't know anything.
Right.
You don't know a damn thing. And the people who are going before you in the tank that day, they are not brought back into the same room as you.
Oh.
So you can't even interact with them. You can't see कि क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, क्या पूछा, कैसा लगा. You don't see the sharks. So I remember when I was entering the Film City में studio, the sharks had arrived. One of the sharks had arrived, and they were like these walkie-talkies, and they were like, everybody freeze, no movement for the contestants. Sharks are here. So imagine we had to wait outside the studio till the shark did not reach from point A to point B, because there is no way that they can even see us, meet us, or anything. They will only see you directly in the tank. So it's crazy. And then the funniest thing is कि जैसे एक sequence होता है कि दिन में let's say 6 brands are pitching. You don't know whether you're first or you're last. So you're just there तैयार from the morning, and you're like any moment. अब वो any moment का excitement ना after a few hours it keeps coming down because you get tired. Like so mentally it is a crazy experience because you have to hold on to your nerves, and that pressure builds. It builds like crazy.
वाओ यार, मतलब यहाँ बैठे बैठे मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है you have actually gone through a journey. I'll call it a journey.
It is a journey, and मैं तो बोलती हूँ कि every entrepreneur, try funding मिले ना मिले, try this journey.
And it's an experience.
It's an experience. I am a different person after this experience.
And
I learned so much about myself.
Right.
And the best part is you get to meet so many amazing founders. I have made friends for life because we all went through that unique experience of 4-5 days together. And वो दुनिया में हम 5-6 लोगों के सिवाय कोई समझ ही नहीं पाएगा कि वो क्या था और हम पे क्या बीती और कितने घंटे हम लोग अवेक थे, कितनी कम नींद पे हमने परफॉर्म किया, सब कुछ किया. मोस्ट ऑफ अस डिडंट स्लीप द नाइट बिफोर द पिच. और मतलब हम अगले दिन जब टैंक में जाना था, वी वर ऑल सिटिंग टुगेदर and we were trying to keep each other awake कि सोना मत, ज्यादा खाना मत, नींद आ जाएगी, उठे रहो, जागते रहो. It was like that and helping each other with our pitches. तो जैसे आपने मेरे को मेरी पिच याद करने में बड़ी मुश्किल हो रही थी because lot of it was in Hindi and they used to make me stand and say फिर से बोलो, okay, say it again, this is really good. So all of that, like, I mean, they're the fondest memories of my life. Wow. Like amazing experience.
So during your experience in Tank, एनीथिंग जो आपको लगा कि यार ये बात थोड़ी चुभ गई मुझे इस वाले शार्क की?
मैं बड़ी लंबी सांस ले रही हूँ बिकॉज मैं सोच रही हूँ. सो 2-3 थिंग्स एक्चुअली, कोई बात नहीं चुभी एज सच, बट मुझे ये जरूर चुभा कि उनको समझ ही नहीं आई मैं क्या बोल रही थी, या उन्होंने सच्चे दिल से या पूरी कंसंट्रेशन से कोशिश ही नहीं करी समझने को कि मैं बोल क्या रही हूँ. सो फर्स्ट विनीता सेड इस केक में इतना खराब क्या है, when I walked into the tank and I was like what do you mean, मतलब सामने दिख रहा है क्या खराब है and आप बोल रहे हो ये तो ठीक लग रहा है. That I didn't appreciate because I thought कि it really shows कि आपको really पता नहीं what a beautiful cake can look like or what it should. दूसरी thing that really ticked me off, this thing got me irritated in the tank. She asked me about a brand called Whipped. And she said, आपने ये ब्रांड का नाम सुना है, Whipped? I said, हाँ, it's a bakery and it's very well known in Delhi. So she said, ये बेकरी नहीं, आप ही के इंडस्ट्री में है. तो I said, नहीं, मेरे इंडस्ट्री में कोई Whipped नहीं है करके. तो instead of saying, okay, maybe I have made a mistake and it's a bakery, not a cake supplier, she said, अच्छा तो आपको पता ही नहीं कि आपके कंपटीशन कौन है. You don't want to know, आपको लगता है आप ही बेस्ट हो. And I didn't like that because आपने एक चीज को एकदम से नेगेटिवली पलट के उसका मतलब ही अलग निकाल दिया.
करेक्ट.
एंड आई सेड कि जो मेरे कंपेटिटर्स मायने रखते हैं, अब फॉर एग्जांपल अमूल बटर बिकता है, दे विल नो some of the other brands that are competing with them in this space which are top end eating market share, but are they going to bother about the guys who are selling in the B grade or the C grade market, जो local market में बेच रहे, जो literally छोटी छोटी फैक्ट्रियां बनाती हैं, कितने बनाते हैं पर हमें भी नहीं पता होंगे उनके नाम, right? Local dairies and all, so they don't get into that space. So if I know the competitors 2-3 ही हैं जो मेरी टक्कर में है और जो मेरा मार्केट शेयर ट्रूली ले रहे हैं, जो मार्केट डोमिनेट कर रहे हैं, तो वो मुझे पता है. बट अगर आप मुझे बोलो कि मुझे हर ट्रेडर का नाम पता होना चाहिए जो अमेजोन पे बेचता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इन दिस बिजनेस आर ट्रेडिंग. अब ट्रेडर्स तो आते और जाते इतने आके जा भी चुके हैं, बट टू हैव द एक्सपेक्टेशन दैट आई शुड नो एवरी सिंगल वन doesn't make sense to me. I should only know who matters.
Right.
And वो ये ना, जब शादी पे जब लोग बनाते हैं आपके कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट गेस्ट होते हैं, कुछ गेस्ट होते हैं, सबके नाम नहीं याद रहते सबको, and it's okay. And there's nothing wrong with that. I'm sure she would also not know every single makeup brand that sells locally in Sarojini Nagar or sells in Lajpat Nagar, or even these mom and pop shops that are coming up, women who are selling at malls, who are making makeup at home. She also probably doesn't know. But am I going to say, अच्छा आप नहीं जानते अपने competitors को? So this तो really it really got to me because I just thought it was so unfair,
right,
to change the narrative when I didn't even say it like that. So she made me sound like that, and then she said something about आपकी dark side. And I was like, what dark side? I don't understand, what are you trying to say? Like, I'm not Voldemort from Harry Potter or something. There is no dark side to anything, If you know your business in absolute clarity and you're confident enough to tell it direct, does it mean कि कोई इसमें dark side है, So, wow. I think उनके साथ हुआ काफी back and forth. आपको तो थोड़ा सा दिखाया था, उसके बाद भी बहुत बैक एंड फोर्थ हुआ है.
But then you took it so well.
Thank you.
And I'm so proud of you. And
thank you. It really means a lot.
मतलब I'm learning a lot of things from you right now. कि कैसे, obviously, in picture and also will go for funding in future. So कुछ तो takeaways, yes, our brands are different, our industry is different, but obviously when you meet such founders, you get to know a lot of things or you learn from them. And the idea of doing this podcast is this only, कि आप कैसे उन चीजों को struggle करके आप उनको the takeaways basically. So what was your takeaway from Shark Tank?
I'm so glad I stuck to my guns. I'm so glad I stayed honest to myself.
Right.
I am so glad I spoke the truth. I'm so glad I didn't get bullied. And I really
You were actually, but then you handled it.
Yeah. Yeah, so I didn't let them bully me.
Right.
I'm so glad that I didn't lose my temper.
Yeah.
I maintained composure. एक बारी तो आया था गुस्सा, वो दिख भी रहा था.
Yes.
But फिर मैंने अपने आप को control किया.
Right.
And I think I'm just grateful for the person that I portrayed. I showed the truest aspect of myself, which is unwavering belief and how ziddi I am to make this business a success. So I stayed true to myself as a person.
In short, be yourself.
Always be yourself. Don't compromise on that. Like, मेरा एक बड़ा simple funda है in life. Any big decision I've ever made, whether it was my marriage, whether it was getting into this business, whether it was launching new products, whether it is doing a new trade show, whether it is even doing Shark Tank, was, will I regret this in the future? If I do it this way, will I regret it? Or if I don't do this, will I regret it? And it is the only question that matters, because मेरे को ना चैन की नींद बहुत प्यारी है अपनी. I like to sleep 7 hours a day, guys. I can't function on 5 hours or 6 hours. तो 7 तो minimum चाहिए होते हैं मुझे, and वो मुझे peaceful sleep चाहिए. I can't be stressing about something. So I've always been very honest with myself कि if I take this step, let's say मुझे वेगस में शादी करने जाना था, तो मेरे को कभी लगा कि you know, Gauri, maybe you're 30, maybe at 40, 50, will you regret that shit, I should have listened and probably done a proper wedding here, or maybe और मनाना चाहिए था family को. नहीं, I was like, time दिया, I'm okay. I think it was the best decision. Even today I'm 41, I'm going to be 42. तो 12 साल हो गए, 16 years with my husband, and it's the best decision. If I wanted to get a tattoo in college, it was the same thing. You know, my parents used to say कि बाद में regret करोगे, अभी तुम्हें लग रहा है fad है. I have 2 tattoos and I love it. And I still love them the way I loved them that time. Yeah. So चाहे वो decision छोटा हो या वो decision बड़ा हो, you know, it was no regrets. And especially what happened after, when I came out of the tank and I called out Piyush and I called out Anupam, one I said FOMO and one I said, you know, Eki Chashma Becho. And I really thought about it, because that night I was a little worried of how the narrative would come out, you know, in the media. But when I really thought about it before I went to bed at night was, will I regret it? And I said, no, I don't think I'll regret it, because I said exactly what I felt at that moment. That was the truest thing that came out of my mind, out of my mouth. It was the rawest emotion that I felt. And I think a lot of people didn't understand कि 1.5 घंटा बैंड बजाई जो मेरी, उसके बाद कुछ तो निकलेगा ना. I will not come out कि hey, you know, and then, and of course the people who are outside the tank are asking me those questions because they want some reaction, right? I held my composure in the tank.
Right.
But the one thing that they didn't show in the tank, which I always say because I want more and more people to know about this, जो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा कि इसने ना पलटी मार दी और इसने last minute में अपना decision change कर दिया, and all of a sudden, you know, she said US, and suddenly she said India. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हुआ था. I left the tank, I asked for a few minutes, I walked out of the tank, I made a phone call, I spoke to a friend of mine, then I came back into the tank and made my decision. Okay. So it wasn't like कुछ भी दे दो मैं ले लूंगी, you know, it was not like that at all, and it went so against everything that I had done or said in the tank in the first 15 minutes कि वो last में उन्होंने जो 10 सेकंड में पूरी कहानी खत्म कर दी, that felt like a bit abrupt and it spoiled the narrative a little bit.
Right.
So it wasn't like that.
हम अभी US में करने वाले हैं
क्या?
Conflict.
US में कर रहे हैं, but इस साल तो हम बहुत स्पीड पकड़ने वाले हैं.
Very nice and very impressive. So Gauri, to end this podcast, last question. So when you come out of tank, do they ask you या फिर guide you कि आपको ये चीजें बाहर जाके मीडिया में बोलनी है कि नहीं बोलनी है? Is there a set of document that is given to you, and how did you take that?
So the legal team is like a barrier force, I would say. They are very well-oiled machine. Okay. They're very clear with you. ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा that they're very clear with you on what you can do, what you cannot do. They're very clear with what you can use, what you cannot use, even from the episode, the clips, everything. It's complete secrecy. So actually the secrecy begins from the second stage of the round when you give in your interview. When you send that 3-minute pitch, जो second round था, application का, अब तब से you are quiet. From then till it airs, you are absolutely mum. And
so
even
only
after,
your husband knew? Only
my husband knew and my close family knew, and that was it. I didn't want to tell a lot of people I mean, I tried my best not to tell a lot of people because it's a very big thing.
Right.
But then, you know, वो fear होता है कि अगर भाई air नहीं होगा तो then you will sound like another बुद्धू that you have told everyone कि it will happen and it didn't. So yeah, but even then when you're at Shark Tank, when you're shooting, you sign a lot of NDAs, you sign a lot of documents, you sign a lot of things about using Sony's content, and a lot of brands have been shut down, by the way. A lot of brands have lost their Instagram account, a lot of brands have lost their Meta accounts, and the thing is, you have to be mindful कि हाँ, Shark Tank is a part of your journey, but it's not your journey. It's not the end of the road. So why would you sacrifice everything? You know, we have this founders group, and I keep telling them कि यार एक रील के लिए या एक ad डालने के लिए don't sacrifice or jeopardize your entire business. Imagine if they shut your ad account on Meta or your Instagram for a month. What are you going to do? The repercussions are much bigger.
Right.
So they allow you to use as seen on Shark Tank. And उस पे भी timeline है. So post I think 24th of March is when the season finishes. That's it. We're not allowed to advertise that we're on Shark Tank. So guys, please yaad rakh lena, because after that point, I'm not going to be able to advertise it anywhere as such.
No worries, we will not need you to advertise Shark Tank because we know Gauri now, Chef Gauri, and we will definitely see you in the malls in Delhi first of all, DLF Mall of India most probably. और वहाँ पर जाकर हम डायरेक्टली जाएंगे और जब गौरी का ओपन होगा तो हम फिर से जाएंगे शूट करने के लिए गौरी के साथ डायरेक्टली.
Oh my God, that will be an amazing experience. I would love for you to come.
Okay, great. Okay. Okay guys, so thank you so much Gauri. और हमने बहुत बहुत कुछ जाना और the journey was amazing and it was actually a roller coaster ride. पहले भी और अभी भी I think चल रहे हैं roller coasters, but then hopefully within 5 years आप इतना smooth हो जाएगा सब कुछ कि आप एकदम से queen बनने वाले हो.
Yeah, and before we wrap today, I only want to say one thing, which is something that people don't know about me.
Yeah.
I think what helps me every single day is being grateful. And people forget this.
Right.
I pray every single night, okay? And I always thank God for the opportunities. I thank everything that has come my way. And my life changed after I started being grateful.
Yeah.
Because the more grateful you are, the more the universe opens up to you. And I don't know how many of you believe in that, but you know what? Do me a favor, just try it. Because it blew my mind. And like I said, I'm very black and white. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. So the minute you truly feel grateful and blessed for everything that you have in this world, and you thank God for it, every night at least try. And it takes like 10 seconds just before you sleep. Put your head on the pillow and say thank you for everything or thank you for the great day. You'll see the magic of the universe. And I think hard work, a little bit of luck, a little grace of Almighty, and Zid is the secret to success. So that's the magic portion. And I wish all the entrepreneurs there a lot of success. And I'm always here to talk more about my journey and support everyone.
You should definitely do the TEDx and Josh Talks, Gauri, because you are an amazing speaker and so much motivation you are giving to me and
Thank you.
to a lot of audience of ours. I think इस पे मुझे बोलना ही नहीं पड़ेगा, आपको लाइक करना है, आप लोग खुद ही लाइक करने वाले हो इसको, इस एपिसोड को, because she has been so amazing throughout. Again, very thank you for being here.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm so grateful.
Guys, bye-bye, take care, and
Bye.
then जरूर बताना comments में कि if you have ordered the products from Chef Gauri's site or not yet. Till then, bye-bye, take care.